breastfeeding, and sleep. How do you balance it all? In this video, we're diving into practical tips to help breastfeeding mothers get enough rest. Frequent night feedings, hormonal shifts, and your baby's unpredictable sleep schedule can feel overwhelming, but you're not alone. Let's talk about solutions. First, consider room sharing for safe co-sleeping. It's convenient for night feedings. If you have a partner or family support, tag team parenting during the night can make a world of difference. And yes, the classic advice to nap when the baby naps. It's not always possible, but even short rests can help. Your nutrition matters too. Staying hydrated and eating balanced meals will boost your energy levels. And if stress is keeping you awake, try mindfulness techniques like a quick bedtime meditation. Setting up a calming sleep environment for both you and your baby, a white noise machine and dim lighting, can make a big difference. Remember, every bit of rest counts. You're doing an amazing job. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, subscribe for more and share it with a friend who needs support.